Hi everyone. Now I'm going to discuss about 7 segment. A 7 segment display is a set of 7 bar shaped LED or LCD elements arranged to form a squared of figure 8. Now you can see the block diagram for the 7 segment, and this is the diagram. Here you can see the names as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. I named it as like this, and you can name by any names like A, B, C, D, or any names you can choose. After that, you can see here the count 0 up to 9. For 0, here D3 is only the 0. So you can see the design how 0 have. And this is the design for the 1, and this is for the 2, this is for the 3. For the 3, you can see D2 and D5 are the 0th value. So this is the 3 design, and this is the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the 8, our all outputs are 1, and this is the 9. Now we are going to move to the truth table for the 7 segment. And here these are the inputs for the truth table for 7 segment. And inputs are A, B, C, D, and these are the outputs. And I named it as D0 up to D6. By using this truth table, we can get the equation for each outputs like this. So this is the expressions for the outputs. And after that, we are going to make the K-map for getting the expression. So this is the K-map design for each outputs like D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6. And these are the simplified expressions. This is also equations, and this is also expression, but this is not a simplified expression, but this is a simplified. After that, this is the equations for all, and here we can change this as XNOR gate. C bar D bar plus CD is equal to XNOR. Like this, BD plus B bar D bar is equal to XNOR. So this is the XNOR symbol. And by using this equation, we can create logic circuit for 7-segment display. After that, we are going to move to the logisim design for the 7-segment. So this is the logic circuit designed for the 7-segment. And now we are going to create this logic circuit by using truth table, because this is a big circuit, so we can't draw it easily. So go to the project and click analyze circuit. Before that, we want to put the inputs and put the name for all inputs, and put the outputs and put the output name also like this. In the drawing canvas like this, we want to put the 4 inputs and 7 outputs and name also. After that, go to the analyze circuit. Then here I already put the outputs clearly because I already designed it. Before the design, we can see like cross for all outputs like this. You can see here I change it as cross, and you can change by clicking this. And this is the outputs, this is the inputs, and expression section, and this is the minimized K-map. Now I'm going to move to the design for the 7 segment, and this is from our 7 segment subcircuit. I click the 7 segment, and after that you can see the subcircuit here like this, and you can join by using wires, and this is outputs, and here these are the inputs. So this is the 4-digit input, and this is a counter, and this is the 7 segment design. Now I'm going to simulate it, and you can see how this is work. So tick enabled, so you can see the change in the 7 segment, count 0 up to 9, and you can change the frequency also, decrease frequency, and we can increase the frequency. Okay, now I'm going to reset this simulation. Okay, so this is the basic explanation for the 0 to 9 7 segment. After that, we are moving to the 0 to 99 7 segment. This is the design for 99 7 segment, and here you can see segment 1, segment 2. So this is a subcircuit and segment 1. You can see this is a big circuit, and you can see this is so difficult to draw. So for this also we use truth table method, and we want to put the inputs first and named it also. After that, we want to put the outputs and name also. Then move to the project section, analyze circuit. Then we want to put the outputs for all. Here these are the inputs and these are the outputs, and I already put it. Then you can easily put this by your knowledge in 7 segment LED design, and you can choose any names for these inputs and outputs also. So this is the inputs and this is outputs, expression and minimized. Like this, 7 segment 2 also big circuit. So we want to create it by truth table method, and here also we want to put the all input and all output before go to the truth table. After that, analyze circuit, and here you can see the truth table design and inputs, outputs, expression, minimized. Now I'm going to show you how this is work. Go to the simulation. Before that, it is 0, so I want to click and change it as 1. Now you can see the changes in both 2, 7 segment. It's count up to 0 to 99. Then I'm going to increase the frequency. Another time increase. Okay. After that, decrease the frequency and reset the simulation. You can see the change in the both 7 segments. So this is the implementation of the 99 0 to 99 7 segment. Thank you.